Welcome to Woman Ki Baat. I'm Lalita Dhara. In this episode, well-known Kathak exponent Pooja Pant presents a glimpse into the poetry of 8th century Iraqi Sufi poet Rabia al-Basri.
Hi, I'm Devasmita Ghoshal, a full-time theatre actor. Rabia al-Basri was a Sufi mystic poet who lived in Basra, Iraq during the 8th century. She is regarded as the first female Sufi saint in Islamic history, born into poverty and sold into slavery. She was later set free due to her unwavering spirituality. Rabia is celebrated for her doctrine of divine love, Ishq-e Hakiki, which emphasizes profound love for God, regardless of reward or punishment. Her verses reflect an intense longing for spiritual union with the beloved. Well-known Kathak practitioner Pooja Pant will now present a poem of Rabia in which she is engaged in an intimate conversation with her divine beloved. The Urdu version of the Arabic poem has been tuned by Ustad Ghulam Abbas Khan and Alisha Khan and sung by Alisha. But before that, listen to the English translation of the poem.
Eyes are at rest, the stars are setting. Hushed are the stirrings of birds in their nests of monsters in the ocean. You are the just who knows no change, the balance that can never swerve, the eternal which never passes away. The doors of kings are bolted now and guarded by soldiers. Your door is open to one and all who call upon you. My Lord, each lover is now alone with her beloved. I am alone with you.
मेरा खुदा और मेरा मौला, मेरा खुदा और मेरा मौला, आंखें आराम में है, सितारे ढल रहे हैं, परिंदों की चहचहाहट अपने घोंसलों में खामोश है, समंदर के देते भी सुकून में है। मेरा खुदा और मेरा मौला, तू ही आदिल है, जो कभी नहीं बदलता, वो तवाज़ुन जो कभी नहीं डगमगाता, वो अज़ली जो कभी फना नहीं होता। मेरा खुदा और मेरा मौला, बादशाहों के दरवाजे अब बंद हो चुके हैं और सिपाही उनकी निगहबानी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन तेरा दरवाजा हर उस शख्स के लिए खुला है जो तुझे पुकारता है। तेरे साथ तन्हा हूँ।
Although she left behind no written works, Rabia's spoken verses were preserved and passed on by her followers. Her legacy laid the foundation for the rich tradition of Sufi literature that followed, including the timeless works of the great mystic Rumi. Pooja will conclude her presentation with a poem of Rabia in which she is addressing her followers.
Within my soul reside a temple, a shrine, a mosque, a church, where I prostrate before the Almighty. A prayer should lead us to an altar where no walls divide, no names confine. Is there no stage in love that ensures an enlightened sovereignty, where ecstasy dissolves into itself and disappears, where the bird is wholly alive yet knows no mind, no form? Within my soul reside a temple, a shrine, a mosque, a church, all of which melt and dissolve into the divine. मेरी रूह में एक मंदिर, एक मजार, एक मस्जिद, एक गिरजा है जहां मैं सजदा रेज हूँ। मेरी रूह में एक मंदिर, एक मजार, एक मस्जिद, एक गिरजा है जहां मैं सजदा रेज हूँ। दुआ हमें ऐसे मेहराब तक ले जानी चाहिए जहां कोई दीवारें या नाम न हो। क्या मोहब्बत का कोई ऐसा मकाम नहीं जहां हाकिमियत रोशन हो? क्या मोहब्बत का कोई ऐसा मकाम नहीं जहां हाकिमियत रोशन हो? जहां सुरूर खुद में ढलकर गुम हो जाए, जहां परिंदा मुकम्मल तौर पर जिंदा हो मगर उसका कोई जहन या जिस्म न हो। मेरी रूह में एक मंदिर, एक मजार, एक मस्जिद, एक गिरजा है जो घुल कर खुदा में फना हो जाते हैं, जो घुल कर खुदा में फना हो जाते हैं।